Hi, Jim. Thanks for joining us. Now, there's really no better person to talk about modernizing business and profound transformation than you. So let's get right into it. Business transformation has been a buzzword for years now, but last year's events really accelerated the urgency around agility and transformation. Now, you've been an auto industry transformation advocate for years. Why has it been such an important priority for you?
I think now the transformation, Allan, is a basic requirement for the going concern of an enterprise like Ford. It's only recently become clear that survival for a company like Ford requires transformation. Transformation here really means modernizing, but also disrupting our operations.
I mean, there's clearly not a one-size-fits-all approach to transformation. As a Fortune 10 company, what does transformation at Ford look like? You talk to us about any unique challenges or opportunities that you have run into as a brand with 190,000 employees and offices in 125 countries around the world.
I'd say universal to the industry is the move to a digital product, including electrification, is a huge change. The modernization of our company is to move to an always-on relationship with the customer, where we can change the product dynamically with software and that the customer relationship is not episodic, it's every day. To do that, we need to vertically integrate a lot of know-how that we've never had to do for 100 years. We've never really thought of always on, digital, software-enabled services, using the data off the vehicle for a quality loop. All that is really new. What's unique to Ford in our transformation is really our commercial vehicle lineup, our passion products. We're the kind of company that can do Broncos and Super Duties and Mustangs, even electric ones, and they'll feel really different than our competitors. So we need to lean into those real passion products. And the last one is going to per mile basis, which is really also different. It's kind of the ultimate disruption. And it really disrupts Henry's original idea of personal ownership of a vehicle. We have to execute in a way that others haven't so far. I would say the last two are really unique to Ford.
In February, you announced a strategic partnership with Google to elevate the automotive industry and to reinvent the connected car experience. So can you share what excites you the most about this partnership?
Initially, it was that Google was really serious about building a experience platform for the inside of the vehicle that would be super competitive for customers, better than what we do today. We have huge data sets from millions of vehicles that are now connected. We have to analyze that, make use of them for our customers, and your cloud services are really a great tool to do that. We're applying AI inside the car, in our industrial system and manufacturing supply chain, and having access to the best AI thinkers in the world.
Now, I know from our meetings that you've got a great affinity for and understanding of marketing. What do you see as the role marketing can play to deliver against your goals of delivering a superior customer experience and deepening customer loyalty? What would transformation look like on the marketing side?
It's a really good question. I think the real big transition for us as a company and our industry is we have to stop being obsessed with conquest. And we have to start putting all of our resources on taking care of the customers that already love the brand and own our product. And this is a fundamental shift. There's a new model that's available because of this digital relationship with the customer, because the product is digital now with ownership experiences.
Now, transformation is an ongoing process. Where do you see Ford taking it next?
Well, as I said, we're just beginning the process with a digital product that's connected all the time. And that's going to be a big change for us. Probably the biggest is going to be to a software services dominated company and brand. I think that's going to take a long time. Right now, I would say we're kind of in the first inning of 9 in our transformation. General management will help our team get more focused. But the big change is definitely going to be the software talent and know-how. Really enabling a whole different experience for our customers. And that organization change will be the biggest and potentially the most difficult for the organization.
How are your C-suite colleagues? You have a full team there. The CFO and the CMO, for example, how do they play a unique role in contributing to your company-wide transformation goals?
Both the CFO and the CMO are new, my management team. That's a good thing. The chief marketing officer, Susie, we really wanted someone who had a deep service experience. The best metaphor for the transformation of our industry is probably mobile. And so a marketer who really knows services and that loyalty play is very important to me. So I think we have the right team, but it's very different skills.
You've been a fantastic partner to Google, and I think we can't wait to take the relationship to the next level with the new partnership, and to make Ford even more relevant for the next 100 years. Thank you so much.